You no longer need to manually stitch together a title, bullet points, and description from scratch. Let AI handle the entire process. I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. First, click Create Listing. Start by describing your product in plain English. Tell the AI what you're selling. Then upload a keyword file or automatically generate keywords from your description. Click Generate Keywords, then hit Next. Now you'll review the keyword strategy. This step matters because good listings don't just rank. They rank for the right searches. Next, select a product so the tool can pull in SEO characteristics from real customer reviews. This is where it gets smart. The AI looks at what customers actually talk about, then uses those insights to make your listing more semantically rich and more relevant to buyer needs. Pick the characteristics you want to add, then click Add Selected Topics. As you review the keyword list, focus on high search volume terms that match your product exactly. Keep the relevant ones, remove anything too broad or inaccurate, and improve the quality before moving on. Then click Next. Now choose your generation mode. If you want the fastest and most complete result, we recommend full AI. Enter your brand name, add your product attributes, add product variations to create hundreds of listings with just one click, and click Next. Now the AI gets to work analyzing your SEO keywords and optimizing your listing in line with Amazon's rules. It adds relevant keywords and fully optimizes your title and bullet points for maximum visibility. This usually takes about 2 to 4 minutes. Once it's ready, review the listing carefully. Check the title, bullet points, and description, then make any adjustments you want. Next, review the final output, then download the file or export it directly into your Amazon listing workflow. That's it. Descripio turns your product idea into a structured, keyword-optimized Amazon listing in minutes. Test it on all your products. Connect your Amazon Marketplace, pick a product, hit Generate, and watch how fast you go from rough idea to ready to publish.